Namaste, welcome to Chitrakuta Samskrita learning series. Today let's learn 7th lesson Bakasya Pratikaraha. Let us read the lesson first. Saptamah Pathaha Bakasya Pratikaraha. Pratikaraha means revenge, Bakaha means crane. This is a story of crane and a jackal. एकस्मिन् वने शृगालः बकः च निवसतः स्म. There lived a jackal and a crane in a forest. तयोः मित्रता आसीत्. They were good friends. एकदा प्रातः शृगालः बकम् अवदत्. One day morning, jackal said to crane that Mitra, श्वः त्वं मया सह भोजनं कुरु. Tomorrow you have dinner with me. Thus, jackal invited crane for a dinner. शृगालस्य निमन्त्रणेन बकः प्रसन्नः अभवत्. The crane was very happy with the jackal's invitation. अग्रिमे दिने सः भोजनाय शृगालस्य निवासम् अगच्छत्. Next day, crane went to jackal's home for dinner. कुटिलस्वभावः शृगालः स्थाल्यां बकाय क्षीरोदनम् अयच्छत्. The crooked jackal served the rice pudding to crane in a flat plate and said to crane, Mitra, अस्मिन् पात्रे आवाम् अधुना सहैव खादावः. That means it said, Friend, let us now eat together in this vessel. Then what happened at the time of dinner? Bhojanakale bakasya chanchuhu sthalitah bhojangrahane samartha na abhavat. Chanchuhu means beak, sthalitah. From plate it couldn't eat through its beak. It was too flat that it couldn't swallow the pudding through its beak. अतः बकः केवलं क्षीरोदनम् अपश्यत्. Therefore the crane just kept looking to milk pudding. शृगालः तु सर्वं क्षीरोदनम् अभक्षत्. The jackal ate up entire milk pudding. शृगालेन वञ्चितः बकः अचिन्तयत् यथा अनेन मया सह व्यवहारः कृतः तथा अहम् अपि तेन सह व्यवहरिष्यामि. Then, having cheated by jackal, crane thought that the way he deceived me, in similar way I would deceive him. एवं चिन्तयित्वा सः शृगालम् अवदत् मित्र त्वमपि श्वः सायं मया सह भोजनं करिष्यसि. Thus, crane invited jackal for a dinner. बकस्य निमन्त्रणेन शृगालः प्रसन्नः अभवत्. Jackal happily accepted crane's invitation. यदा शृगालः सायं बकस्य निवासं भोजनाय अगच्छत् तदा बकः सङ्कीर्णमुखे कलशे क्षीरोदनम् अयच्छत्. सङ्कीर्णे मुखे कलशे means in a pot with a narrow mouth. Kalasha is a pot. Sankirna means narrow. Crane served milk pudding into a narrow-necked pot and asked jackal that, Come, let's have food together. Mitra, avam asmin patre sahaiva bhojanam kurvaha. Then what happened? Bakah kalashat chanchva kshirodanam akhadat. Crane ate milk pudding through beak easily. परन्तु शृगालस्य मुखं कलशे न प्राविशत्. But jackal's mouth was unable to reach into the pot. अतः बकः सर्वं क्षीरोदनम् अखादत्. Therefore crane ate up all rice pudding. शृगालः च केवलम् ईर्षया अपश्यत्. The jackal just looked with jealous. शृगालः बकं प्रति यादृशं व्यवहारम् अकरोत्. बकः अपि शृगालं प्रति तादृशं व्यवहारं कृत्वा प्रतीकारम् अकरोत्. That means the way the jackal behaved with crane, the crane also behaved in the same manner and took revenge on it. उक्तमपि आत्मदुर्व्यवहारस्य फलं भवति दुःखदं तस्मात् सद्व्यवहर्तव्यं मानवेन सुखैषिणा इति. That means the outcome or the result of bad behavior is always sorrowful. Therefore, a person who wishes to be happy, he has to be well behaved. When we go through this lesson, we can see some words like sma, pratah, adhuna, shvaha, tu, etc. These words are new to us. These words are known as avyayani. Sadrisham trishu lingeshu sarvasu cha vibhaktishu vchaneshu cha sarveshu yannavyeti tadavyayam iti uchyate. That means these avyayas remain as it is irrespective to any vibhaktis or any lakaras or any vachanas. So these words won't get any vibhakti forms, won't get any purusha forms. These words won't get any vachana form. We have learned latlakara, lritlakara, langlakara in previous lessons. Latlakara is for Vartamana Kala, Lritlakara is for Bhavishyat Kala, Langlakara is for past tense Bhuta Kala. As you know the forms of these lakaras, we have to observe the words when we read this lesson. Let's go in detail. एकस्मिन् वने शृगालः बकः च निवसतः स्म. च स्म are avyayas. Cha is a conjunction. Sma is an avyaya that is used to convert present tense form into past tense. For example, nivasatah is in present tense form. Nivasati, nivasatah, nivasanti. So here Shrigalah and Bakah, there are two. So nivasatah is present tense form. If we add sma to this, it get converted into past tense form. तयोः मित्रता आसीत्. एकदा प्रातः, this is also an avyaya. शृगालः बकम् अवदत्. अवदत् is in langlakara prathama purusha ekavachana past tense form. Then mitra श्वः त्वं मया सह भोजनं कुरु. Here maya saha is a phrase where maya is in tritiya vibhakti form. Why this maya word is in tritiya vibhakti? Because whenever we use saha, sakam, samam, sardham words, related word will be in tritiya vibhakti form. Kena saha? Maya saha. With whom? He has to have food with me. Here, so maya is in tritiya vibhakti form. Shrigalasya nimantranena bakah prasannah abhavat. Here, abhavat is also in langlakara form. means past tense. Abhavat, abhavatam, abhavan is the form of bhudhatu langlakara prathama purusha. अग्रिमे दिने सः भोजनाय शृगालस्य निवासम् अगच्छत्. Here now we have to see vibhakti is used in bhojanaya, shrugalasya, nivasam words. Bhojanaya kimartham bakah shrugalasya graham agachat. Bhojanaya. Bhojanaya is in chaturthi vibhakti form. Tasya graham agachat. Shrugalasya is in Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachana form. Nivasam agachat. Here Nivasam is in Dvitiya Vibhakti form. Why do we use Dvitiya Vibhakti for this word? There is a reason. Whenever we use Gamadhatu forms, here we are using agachat. The place we reach or the place the karta reaches will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti form. Therefore, Nivasam is in Dvitiya Vibhakti form. Kutila Swabhavah Shrugalah Sthalyam. Here Sthalyam is in Saptami Vibhakti form. Sthali Ikaranta Strilinga Sthali Shabdasya Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Bakaya Kshirodanam Ayachat. The person who receives will be in Chaturthi Vibhakti form. So Baka is the receiver. Who is giving? Shrigala is offering Kshirodana to Baka. So Baka is the receiver. So Baka Shabda has got Chaturthi Vibhakti form. Ayachat is in Langlakara means past tense form. Bakam avadat. Similarly, avadat is also in past tense form. That means Langlakara. Asmin patre. Patre is in Saptami Vibhakti. Adhuna. Adhuna is an avyaya. Sahaiva khadavaha. Khadavaha is in Uttama Purusha Dvivachana. There are two, isn't it? Baka and Shrigala. So we have to use dual form. Khadavaha. Bhojanakale bakasya chanchuhu sthalitaha bhojanagrahane samartha na abhavat. Again, abhavat is in Langlakara past tense. अतः बकः केवलं क्षीरोदनम् अपश्यत्. अपश्यत् is also in past tense form. Shrigalah tu sarvam kshirodanam abhakshayat. So many words are there in Langlakara form. Abhakshayat is also in past tense. Shrigalena is in Tritiya Vibhakti form. Vanchitah bakah achintayat is in Langlakara form. Langlakara means past tense form. Yatha anena maya saha. As I explained before, here maya is in Tritiya Vibhakti form because it is used with the word saha. Vyavaharah kritah tatha ahamapi tena saha vyavaharishyami. Again in tena saha. With the usage of saha word, this word is in Tritiya Vibhakti form. So it is tena here. Vyavaharishyami. This is in Dritlakara means future tense form. Vyavaharishyami is in future tense form. That means it is in Dritlakara Uttama Purusha Ekavachana. Evam chintayitva sah shrigalam avadat is in past tense. So it is in Langlakara. Mitra tvam api श्वः सायं मया सह भोजनं करिष्यसि. Karishyasi is in Ritlakara. In between we have seen one word Shwaha. Shwaha means tomorrow. It is an avyaya. Bhaktasya nimantranena Shrigalah prasannah abhavat. Abhavat is in Langlakara form, that means past tense. यदा शृगालः सायं बकस्य निवासं भोजनाय अगच्छत् तदा बकः संकीर्णमुखे कलशे क्षीरोदनम् अयच्छत्. Here we can see two words. See, in one sentence it started like yada and it continued with tada. These yada tada are nitya sambandhi words, means correlated words. Whenever we use yada in a sentence, same sentence will get tada. Mitra आवाम अस्मिन् पात्रे सहैव भोजनं कुर्वः. कुर्वः is in उत्तमपुरुष द्विवचन form. बकः कलशात् चञ्च्वा क्षीरोदनम् अखादत्. अखादत् means ate. It is in past tense form, लङ्लकार form. परन्तु शृगालस्य मुखं कलशे न प्राविशत्. प्राविशत् is in past tense form. अतः बकः सर्वं क्षीरोदनम् अखादत्. अखादत् is also in लङ्लकार form. शृगालः च केवलम् ईर्षया अपश्यत्. च is an avyaya and apashyat is in langlakara, means past tense. शृगालः बकं प्रति यादृशं व्यवहारम् अकरोत् बकः अपि शृगालं प्रति तादृशं व्यवहारं कृत्वा प्रतीकारम् अकरोत्. In this sentence, again we can see one more nitya sambandhi word, yadrisham and tadrisham. Akarot is in langlakara form, that means past tense form. Hope you have understood this story and enjoyed learning this story, and same time some grammatical aspects hidden in this story. So let's do exercise of this lesson in next episode. See you. Punarmilamaha.